Hello and welcome back to Pendragon's Twisted Metals. Tonight we are going to be continuing on the Celtic knot pendant. But you guys really outdid yourselves. Now it's mostly new people, so welcome. If you're coming in from the last video, welcome. If this is the second or third time you're seeing me, consider subscribing, because we got plenty more projects that we are going to be doing. But the last Sunday's episode, over 100 views. You guys apparently really want to see this. So, this was planned to be just a pendant, by itself. But I think we can do better than that. I think that we can make either a pendant or a bracelet. Now, that's the centerpiece. And then these two are the side pieces. So, as a pendant, I'd probably make jump rings going from this middle piece to the two side pieces. That, of course, so that it can be a little looser, and it would just, come up the neck a little bit with that middle part. As a bracelet, I would do this piece with those two other pieces on each side, and they would be fused. It would be basically soldered to both sides as a solid piece, and then wrapped as a V bracelet. So it's going to actually go up the arm in a V formation. So, let me know what you guys think. Which one we should do. So, let me know down in the comments. And hopefully you all like this one just as much as the last episode. So, without further ado, let us begin.
Alright, first things first, we're going to be going around the outside with the saw blade so that we cut this out of the bigger piece of metal, so that when we are cutting out the insides, we can get around the piece a lot easier. Okay, unrelated. Please tell me I'm not the only one that hears Pirates of the Caribbean with this. When you're doing the insides, just keep close to the lines just to make sure that you have enough room to be able to sand and file without going over the line.
I'm actually very proud. I did not break a single blade. That's pretty good, I think. These small holes ended up being too small for the files, so we just ended up going in with the saw blade again and just carefully basically whittled the metal to a point where it got down to the line. Now I am putting in the lines so that it keeps that cross looking pattern where it looks like it's braided and weaving in and out of itself. Without these lines, it would just look like a solid piece, so you need to make sure that the lines are correct and in the right place. And of course now we are filing to the lines just to get any of that white area outside of the lines out, because that's not part of our pattern. Also, you want to make sure that you get all of your corners nice and straight, and round out the outside a little bit just to make it a little less sharp. Now we're just going back over some of these lines just to make sure that they are nice and deep and in the right place. Alright, well, that is all the time that we have for today. But we got a decent amount done, as you guys can see. We got the full piece all nice and cut out. We even got the detail lines to make sure that it still looks like it is knit. And we got this piece done. So, depending on what you guys say, we're going to be cutting out the other two pieces. So we're going to be basically doing the same process that we went through with this piece, and we're going to do two pieces that are going to either be soldered directly to the sides of this, so one going this way, one going this way, or we're going to do jump rings so that this moves for a pendant that it's also going to go two ways as well, but it won't be a full piece, so that this can actually move on its own, because I like that kind of look for a necklace. So let me know in the comments what you guys think would be a better look, or what you guys want to see more. But unfortunately, like I said, that is all for today. I hope that you all enjoyed this episode. If you did, hit that like button, and if you really liked it, hit the subscribe button and the bell, so then you get notified whenever I put out a video. I try to do 3 videos a week. Lately I've been a little bit slacking on my lives, but I try to do 3 videos a week, 2 of the lives, and of course the Sunday episode, which is the Pendragon's Twisted Metals. I hope that I get to see you all in the next episode, where we continue making this beautiful piece. And until then, have a wonderful evening.